This is Impeccable Healthcare, and we just want to support the ladies in the house, how to save your money, to economize your income, and to get your laundry soap. You all need, number one that you need is area. We have two sets of area. This is one and this is two. This one is 2x powder and it's very powerful, strengthening than this. But you use the both to give you the best results. And then you need, another thing that you need is the laundry booster. We have two. I think it's two as a team here. So we have this together. At least you know that getting this, another product that is going together again, and another product is this odor blister. So this is, at least as you hear the word odor, to neutralize the odor of the clothes. And then we have another product here, OSI clean with also. So this is Osti clean. So we need this also. Also is under the odor. You need that. And then you need the Foca that you get and trash black plastic bag. You can get, we are double it because this one is lighter. As we said, that we want to economize products. So all is at Walmart. This one to mix all the ingredients, just wash to eliminate the odor, to pollute, then to save your the hair, the breath. So some people, they cannot, they cannot expose their breath. So you use it to shake the product so it can be mixed. Then you can use gloves. You can get expensive gloves, but as told you, as a lady, as a woman, you can economize whatever you have to get results and to get what you want. You don't need to have 10, 20 packets. You can get it in a little price and max. And then we need the trash bag. You can to be putting your hands and then you want to eliminate.
And we're going with it.
In mixing, you can open everything. You can open all the products at once, and then you can open it and pour it in the bag as you like, one after the other. Oh, as I said, I want to double the bag.
Okay, I'll stop it there. Stop.
The product is going to the bag. The table here is less than $60. You can order it online. They will deliver it at your door. You can go there in person to choose what you want. But at the end of the day, you will see what you are going to get with $60 product. Let us just go and inhale the dust of it. So use masks. Some people might have buckets. Even you have not poured it in the bucket, but you can see.
5 times. 5.
Now you mix it in the bag. I said you have different methods of mixing, but I don't want to inhale the powder. Oh, we made it. We can order it. We can send it to your house. You see? Yes. If you cannot carry it, I'm busy. It in the bucket, Home Depot. Releasing the bag. And it's where I'm pouring it in the bucket. So, all at Walmart. This is the results. We got the laundry soap. And all this product is under $60. And come and see how many months you are going to use this. As I made this, it saved me going to the store all the time. Then I use it for 3-4 months for my family. The cup to measure it. And I want to let you know that you know what you mix together. Some people may say no, to compare to what you are getting in the store. But I want to tell you that it's just like you are cooking. When you make your food at home, there is a confidence in you that I know what lightness in it. Thank you so much, my fan. Thank you, the people that are watching this video. Awoyinfa. I'm from Impeccable Healthcare Services. We set up the healthcare agency for people, and then we use some of these products to help the elders in the community, because this is the way I can work. But when I do all this together, I pack it and I put it in the bag. I visit them and I give it as a donation. It doesn't cost me much. So Impeccable is outside there to help the community, and Hawaii also is there. So we appreciate you. We love you.